Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add distortion on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this you can add the video that you want to edit. And now you can click on the all effect at the bottom, and then in here you can click on the style. In here you can swipe until you can see distortion. This one you can click on it, and then in here you can see distortion effect 1 until 4. You can choose the effect that you want. In here this is the distortion effect 1, and then in here distortion effect 2. You can choose the distortion that you want, but in here I wanna add distortion 3, so you just click on the 3, and after this in here you just click on done in here and finish. So that's how to add distortion effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.